kids, how are you? Are you all set for a new lesson? So today we are going to learn about pronoun ours. So ours is a possessive pronoun which is used in place of first person plural. Possessive pronoun, what is it? Don't worry, it's very easy. A possessive pronoun tells us that who has the ownership of anything. For example, the table is ours. So in this sentence, pronoun ours tells us that the table belongs to first person plural. Pronoun ours usually comes at the end of the sentence. So let's see some examples and make the concept of pronoun ours clear. So Rudy, our first example of pronoun ours is the garden is ours. So in this sentence, ours is a possessive pronoun which comes at the end of the sentence and it is not followed by a noun. It denotes that the garden belongs to first person plural.
I understood.
Good. So Rudy, read the second example.
The chair is ours.
Correct. So again in this sentence, ours is a possessive pronoun which comes at the end of the sentence. It denotes that the chair belongs to first person
Plural.
That's right. So Rudy, our last example is this school is ours. So in this sentence, which is the possessive pronoun?
Ours.
Why?
Because it shows that the school belongs to the first person.
Singular or plural?
Plural.
That's right. Now you got it. So I hope you are very clear that what is pronoun ours. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.